Hey guys, what is going on everybody? It's Gamefish here, and today I'm going to be doing the best assault rifle class setup on the KBAR-32. This is my favorite gun in the game. I use it all the time. But yeah, I'll tell you the attachments that I put on this gun. So the first attachment that I put on this gun is the FMJ. This helps give you a lot more damage against the other players so you can kill them faster, and it increases bullet penetration and damage against equipment. I think this helps a lot on this gun. The next attachment is extended mag. For this gun, you need a lot of ammo. The gun holds 54 bullets each time you reload, and it reloads pretty quickly. So if you kill somebody and you're at 5 to 10 bullets left, and there's somebody that's right near you that you want to kill, you can just reload and you can kill them because it reloads so quick. The next attachment is hollow point. This helps you get a lot more headshots, and it increases headshot lethality and gives headshots a lot more damage. I use this and I get headshots mostly every game, so I recommend this. This gun shoots long distances, guys, so this is great because this thing, you can, every game, I'm not even lying either, every game I always would get a headshot. But even this gun's pretty good at long distances too, so if you guys want a gun with long distances, this is a good gun too. The next attachment is foregrip. This gun already has so much recoil without it, so just by using it reduces it. But I think this is going to be a good thing to put on it, so because it has so much recoil though. The next attachment is stock. This will help you strafe left and right a lot faster and increase maneuverability while aiming down sight. I think this gives you the benefit of winning a gunfight. And at the bottom right, I'm weapon prestige level 1 on this gun, guys. If you guys can see, I'm already, guys. When if I already leveled up this gun twice, you guys know I like this gun. I haven't done this to any other gun. I think maybe I maxed out maybe another gun, but I haven't even prestiged it and maxed it out again. So I already maxed this out twice, but the only thing, if you max this out to prestige 1, you only get dog tags that are on the side of your gun that swing around. See, if you guys can see how it swings around. Or even when you run, it swings around too. Yeah, and I have the camo whiteout. It's really cool on this gun too. I like it. But yeah, I'll show you some gameplay with this class. But I really recommend this assault rifle if you guys want to have a nice headshot kind of gun, a nice fast reloading gun, and a nice long distance gun, guys. This is a great assault rifle for you. But yeah, let's get right into the gameplay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be showing you with the attachments on this gun how well the gun does, so I can show you, so you guys know how good the gun is.
Drone support is active. We've lost the lead. Enemy UAV in your vicinity. Enemy UAV. Enemy UAV in your vicinity. The enemy is halfway there. Take them down. Enemy UAV in your vicinity. Enemy warden incoming. Take up. Enemy UAV. Enemy bombardment incoming. Enemy UAV. Enemy UAV in your vicinity. We're losing this fight. Enemy Scorcher. Enemy bombardment incoming. Enemy warden incoming. Take cover. Enemy bombardment incoming. Mission failed. We'll come prepared next time.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this class setup video. If you guys want to see more, I might make another one. But if you guys can get me to like 5 likes, maybe I can make another one. But yeah, guys, I'll be putting my social media links in the description if you guys want to go check that out if you guys are new. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out, everybody.